Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Hassan. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on cPanel. I already have a video on this channel about how to install WordPress on your local machine. Yes, how you can install WordPress locally on your machine using XAMPP. I'll leave the link in the description below. So before you install WordPress on cPanel, you are supposed to have a hosting plan and a domain name before you can be able to install. So we have a whole lot of providers out there: GoDaddy, Namecheap, SiteGround, a whole lot. Whichever one that you are using, you are good to go. So let's start the video. After logging into your cPanel, you have something like this. You have an interface like this. So when you look at the first option here, we have Softaculous app installer, and as you can see, there's WordPress symbol over here. When you go down here, you can see WordPress here. You can use this one too in installing your WordPress on your cPanel. And when you come down here too, there's another one here, WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and you can use this one too. For me, I'm familiar with this, and I'm good to go with the Softaculous app installer. So let's use this one in installing our WordPress. So you click on it, and you have an interface like this, and the first option is WordPress. So you click on install, and it will send you to this page here. So first of all, this option here, you make sure it is HTTPS like this. Then you come to the second side here. If you are having only one domain, you have it here. But when you are having multiple domains like subdomains and the rest, you have a whole lot of options here to choose from. So I will choose the second one. This is the one I'm using, and I'll select that one. After that, you come down here. Here you write the website name, the name of your site. And for me, I will write here my web learners. My web learners here. And here you write the description of your website. For me, I will leave this one. You come here, your admin username, say admin here, and then you put your admin password over here, your admin password. After that, you come down here and put in your admin email address here. So I'll put my email address here, and when you are done with that, then you scroll down here to this area which is install. Then you click on it, and it will start installing. It will take a few seconds here for it to finish installing. After it is done, you are good to go. So let's wait for it. Now, as you can see, it is done installing. So you have two links here. The first link being the website link, yes, and then the second link here will be the admin panel, which is the back end of your website. So let's open the website link here. As you can see, our WordPress has been installed, and this is a default website web page, or the home page, default home page for our website. So let's check the back end too. And as you can see, it is installed. WordPress is installed. So welcome to WordPress, and you can see everything is working perfectly well over here. So this is how you install WordPress on your cPanel. Please do well to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that when I upload a video, you will be notified. Also, like and share the video for others to benefit from it. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, bye bye.